안녕하세요, Angel.
안녕하세요.
So, Angel, so please introduce yourself first.
안녕하세요. 저는
아홉살
9살 중등학교 4학년
항연.
Angel입니다.
Okay, so what grade are you, Angel?
4,
Okay, grade 4. How old are you?
9
Okay, so why do you want to join the study room?
para makakaton.
Okay, you want to join because you want to learn more. Okay, so as of now you are a temporary student, okay? So dili pa jud ka official. Kaya you need to pass the test first to become an official student, okay? Okay, so you have 30 days para i-memorize ang multiplication. Okay? So do you know multiplication table? Okay, Gamayra. So I will test your multiplication first, okay? Okay, 6 times 4. No, it's 24. 2 times 8.
16.
Okay, very good. 16. 9 times 6.
54.
Okay, very good. 54. 3 times 7.
21.
It's 21. So, as I observed, no, maggamit pa ka og hands. But, you know nga, dili na magamit og hands jud. So, dapat i-ask sa teacher mo diretso kag answer. So, okay, it's okay raman. So, you need na kay 1 month to memorize the multiplication. Okay? So, let's test your reading skill first. Okay? So, please go get the book. Okay. So, ang title is The Ants and Teamwork. So, adto ra ka kutob ha diri ra taman. Okay? Kasabot? Okay. Kusgay mong tingog.
Ants are tiny but are truth of us amazing insects.
It's thought. Thought. Di not trot. Thought.
Of us amazing insects, there are about 20,000 various types of ants that can be found everywhere in
Colonies.
And colonies can include as much as millions of ants. Each ant.
Okay, ants. Millions of ants. Okay. So, I observed do, tapa kay words nga dili pa gyud mo ma-pronounce. But okay ra na. Nyari bitaw ka, why do you want to join the study room? Para okay, makaton. So, you have 1 month ha. So, you will memorize the multiplication test here and on your house. Okay? Nga, if ready na ka, you can ask me. Okay? Nga, magpa-test na ka. Okay? So, diri ka, mari ka diri sa study room. Okay? Okay, bye-bye, Angel. 안녕하세요, Joy.
안녕하세요.
So, Joy, please introduce yourself first in Korean.
안녕하세요. 저는 6살 초등학교 4학년 조이랍니다.
Okay, so what grade are you, Joy?
Grade 4.
Okay, grade 4. How old are you?
10.
Okay, 10 years old. So, yolsal o sahang yon. Okay, so Joy, right now you are a temporary student. So, you're not yet official student. Okay? Then, you have 30 days para ma-practice ang multiplication kay mauman na ang requirements para makasod ka sa study room, which is maka-answer ka sa 10 questions. Dapat maka-check ka og 9 sa questions. Dili pwede 8 kay kung 8 gali ray mong check, dili pa kakapasar. Okay? So before ana, I will check first your multiplication skills. So kay ba ka multiply? Okay, kay ba ka? Okay, let's try. 9 times 2. It's 18. 9 times 2. Next, 9 times 6. 9 times 6. Okay, next. Wala pa. Answer ana sa 9 times 6 is 54. Okay? Next. 2 times 7.
16.
Wrong. It's 14. So nakatana ko, dili pa kay ka ko ano. It's either imong answer is sobra or kulang. Okay? So, you need to practice your multiplication. Okay? So, naa kay 1 month to practice here in the study room, also in your house. Okay? So, next, let's test your reading skills. So, I open ako, ha? Okay, Joy. So, natay ko'y giandam nga basahonon, which is ants and teamwork. So, please read the story. Okay? Start.
Ants are tiny but are true as in
Amazing.
In 6 there are but about
20,000 various
types
of
ants that can be found everywhere. They are
considered
as
social insects
and like this they live together and colonies can in old
include
as much as millions of ants.
Okay, so as I observe, no, naa kay mga words yun nga dili pa nimo mabasa og tarong or ma-pronounce. So it's okay ra na. So ni join man ka sa study room because you want to join lagi. What is your reason? Makat-on, di ba? Right? So makat-on. So you have 1 month, ha. So before ana imo pan ang imong masteron first ang multiplication. Nakasabot, Joy? Okay, sige. Bye-bye, Joy.